All right, guys, what is going on? MikeCesSr back with another crypto morning coffee talk with a giant cup of I don't give a shit, because I don't give a shit about this Bitcoin price jumping up. I'll tell you what I did do. I did capitalize on the reversal. Well, I don't want to call it a reversal because this was basically, in my opinion, just a short squeeze to get these shorts out of the market. But I could be wrong. I can be wrong. And I just don't think that I am wrong in this case. I think that this is a short squeeze. We have no volume coming in. I mean, look at the volume action in these 4-hour candles, you know, since we had this increase here. Now I want to show you something pretty interesting, right? And then we'll dive into a couple other things, and we'll come back to the market. I mean, we'll come back to the charts and take a look at a couple of other coins as well. But I find this kind of interesting, right? So on this run right here, we had a run of about we had a nice 4.5% run. Pump, right? 4.5% volume coming into the market when this occurred yesterday or whenever it was the day before. Now, let's compare it to this candle that we got here, right? I mean, this is also just another great definition of a short squeeze here. Josh Wood, what's going on, man? How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. So yeah, I mean, look at these bear flags forming, right? Drops, short squeeze, boom. But this short squeeze was a little bit more intended for, I mean, a little bit more volume coming into the market to try to get that overall reversal to knock on the $9,000 door. I mean, the $10,000 door, which we unfortunately weren't able to get to. Now, obviously, we took a huge drop from there, but percentage-wise, you know, this candle here and this volume that we got was 17%, almost 18% compared to the, you know, 5% of volume that we got in with this current candle here. We're having trouble battling over the 55 EMA. Turnio, yeah, definitely. Josh asks, did you by any chance look at Turnio and at their 1.2 million TPFs? I did look at Turnio. Turnio is the company that is that I believe YouTube, the creators of YouTube, started, if I'm not mistaken. Unless I'm thinking of something else. Yeah, this I was supposed to go live last night and a bunch of stuff came up, but we'll take a look at it. And I do have some news about that. The thing is, Josh, is I'm not big into ICOs, right? ICOs is almost like gambling to me, and I'm gonna get into that in this video on a better way to take advantage of projects that are already on the blockchain and already established, where you can put, you know, a couple of $100 in, or whatever you are willing to lose, obviously, you know, whatever you can afford, and have a way better chance capitalizing on your gains rather than dumping it into an ICO that, you know, you really don't know what's going to end up happening. So we'll go over that in a minute. Let's finish up on BTC. Guys, I took advantage of this spike, right? And I think all of us should have been able to. Now, as soon as you see volume come in like this in the market, especially after seeing so much red, we saw at least 5 to 6 days of just consistent red market, 10%, 8%, 9% negative, almost every day for a few days, right? Now, what happens in the case of seeing a reversal like this, and again, I hate calling it a reversal because it's not a reversal, it's just a quick pump, is that all these other altcoins, they all of a sudden go up 14, 15, 20%, right? And you can take advantage of that. So it will hit Stellar soon. Turnio is going to hit Stellar soon. Yeah, I saw that. And again, like I'm not big into ICOs, so I don't really pay much attention to them, but it's something that I can start doing. You know what I mean? I have no problem, you know, looking at it in the future. But again, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a very, very great exchange that I think everybody should be involved in. That has a very low market cap position with all of their coins. You can get in at cheap prices, and you know, and I'll tell you exactly what I made from my investments that I made the other night off of it in a down market. So. Basically what I'm saying, guys, is I just don't think this is going to last. The volume that's coming in is very minimal. Look at the size of these 4-hour candles. Almost every single one of them you can almost basically call a doji. We got 2 dojis there. I think a drop is coming, right? We have the 55 EMA that we're going to end up having a battle with eventually. That's probably not even going to reach up to there. That's why I said yesterday that I wanted to close above 76. So what I ended up doing is when I started seeing a little bit of reversal, right, and I started seeing a break above the 15 EMA, I ended up putting a position in some of the top 5 alts, right? I put a position in Ethereum. I put a position in ADA. ADA, because of the news coming out of their testnet launching, we'll go into that in a minute as well. I played a position in ZRX, and what was the other one I did? Let me check. Oops, I just closed it out. Can't remember. I think it was. Yeah, I can't remember, guys. But I ended up playing positions and taking advantage of this pump. And that's how you can make quick money if you are trading, right? If you're trading every single day, you have to take advantage of these situations. But tether yourself out as soon as you get comfortable enough with enough profit. Like I said, like I made I made decent money yesterday, right, with this reversal. But I'm also aware that this is not going to last. I would pretty much put 90%. I would give it a 90% ratio that we are going to continue falling. It's just a matter of when. I mean, look at this curling top. You know, RSI starting to just curl right down, you know, and I think we're gonna drop maybe today or tomorrow. I'm here to learn from you. Wildfire, what's going on, man? How you doing? Thank you very much for joining. I'm here to learn from you. Thank you, Josh. That means a lot, man. Majestic Star Casino and Hotel will begin piloting a blockchain programmatic advertising campaign in July using Turnio's product, but it can't wait a few for a sec, like you said. Yeah, I'll get into it. Definitely, man. Definitely. And that's something that I kind of want to take a look at too. If they're involved in news like that is coming out about the project, that's a great sign. So yeah, guys, just be careful with BTC. As you can see, Icon. Oh, Icon. That's what it was. I ended up playing a position on Icon. ICX had some news coming out the other day that they had developed a new partnership. Their partnership was with, it's right here. They had a partnership with Trive, a venture capital firm based on Singapore. It's to launch icon-focused blockchain education course through Thrive's program, schools, check out, blah, blah, blah. So we saw a little bit of a pump. I played it, and I sold my position because you have to buy the news and sell the hype. You know what I'm saying? So this is something that I want to take a look at too, guys. Yesterday was announced, or I think it maybe was this morning, that traders with pockets full of crypto, they quit Wall Street. Now, do you guys think that's a good sign? Wildfire 9988, looking good, big bro. What's up, man? Wildfire. Trying to think who that is. But thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. The green screen is looking all right, right? I gotta tweak a little bit of the settings and the color. It's a little off, but I'll get there. We'll get there, man. It's a work in progress. That's what this is all about. So this is very interesting, guys, that, you know, we got traders in Wall Street saying, I'm out of here. Like, I'm going into the crypto world because the profits and the percentages that I'm making over there are much more greater than what we're making over here, you know, trading these options or stocks. So whether cryptocurrencies and the technology that powers them will reshape the financial system remains to be seen. What's not in doubt is their ability to transform the career paths of bright young minds on Wall Street. So I think that's what we're going to start seeing, guys, is we're going to start seeing a lot of these investors go from Wall Street to the crypto community. And I believe that's why Goldman Sachs started opening up a trading desk for cryptocurrency, because they don't want to lose any employees. They don't want to lose any skilled traders. They want to able to adapt to what's going on instead of ignore it. And everybody that doesn't adapt is just going to get left behind. That's the case. You know what I mean? Like, whoever didn't learn how to use a computer 10 years ago, put a laptop in front of them right now, and they will not even like, I have a friend, right? He's only 43, 44 years old. He didn't get into technology. He wasn't about the computer. He thought internet was just it's a fad, it'll go away. You put a computer in front of him right now, and he will not know what to do with it. So you need to adapt instead of ignore. And I keep trying to tell people that, you know, have this kind of fear and doubt with crypto. Yeah, it can be volatile and it can be sketchy at times, but you got to at least adapt and learn and see what's going on with this. Is there any coins you guys want me to take a look at as well? We'll take a look at CoinMarketCap, see some of the top moves of the day. We got Theta token. Theta token, very interesting. I believe Theta is the company. What is the company that YouTube, the creators of YouTube, started? I believe it was Theta. The next generation video delivery powered by you. Theta Network. Theta Labs to sponsor Play Labs held at Game Labs. Stephen Chen, the innovation is just up today's. All right, good. So this is it. So Theta yesterday was down 91%. It was in the red, in the negative, 91% on the pairing of BNB. And I had texted a friend of mine and I said, why, this is down. And, you know, obviously, as it was probably paired to BNB, I think that's when we saw the Theta coin came from IDEX, right? Let's see where it is right now. But yeah, this is going to be some great stuff, guys. I think this is a long-term, intrinsically valuable project. Let's take a look at what it has to say. It's a minute long.
It's still terrible. Everyone has a computer with extra bandwidth to spare, especially when a machine's not being used. And now you can make money by putting that bandwidth to use thanks to Theta Token. Here's how it works. When you're watching your favorite streamer or when you're asleep, Theta Client will tap into your extra bandwidth to relay video streams to local viewers. They'll enjoy improved stream quality and loading times, while you earn Theta tokens. The more you deliver, the more you earn. With your tokens, you can send donations to your favorite streamers.
All right, so guys, basically it's like Steam, right? And this is what I was talking about the other day. Steam is a great platform, and it's a great project, and it's a great idea, right? Let's open up my Steam account, and I just want to show you guys something. I just started this account probably a week and a half ago now. And the love and the feedback that I'm getting on Steam is incredible. The community is great. Everybody that is involved in Steemit is involved in cryptocurrency. So it's a very awesome idea that you get paid based on your upticks and based on your shares and based on the interaction and the what you're giving back to the community. So I believe that's what YouTube and the creator of YouTube is trying. Is it going to be the project that takes it to the next level? You know what I mean? You got some competition now, Steam. So let's see where that goes. Let's see where we can get Theta token. I believe it is on IDEX. It is now on Binance. So Theta was listed on, it must have been listed on Binance yesterday. It's sitting at 26 cents right now. 26 cents, up 41% for the day. You know, again, guys, this is a coin that came from IDEX. And I want to show you guys the potential on IDEX right now. Steam is great. Hope to see you there, Mike. Yeah, I'm over there all the time, Miguel. Go check me out. My description is, my name is in the description below. I stay very active on it, but I seem to be getting a lot of followers, but not a lot of traction as far as upticks and likes and stuff like that. I don't know if it's the content that I'm putting out is maybe not, you know, quality enough or good enough to get those upticks, or if I just need to keep working at it. It's probably something, it's still new, you know what I mean? It's a work in progress, and it's going to take some time to build, and I understand that. But listen, guys, Theta token came from IDEX, right? It was first listed on IDEX a long time. So IDEX is an exchange that I highly suggest all of you get involved in. Really. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I was able to capitalize on CNN coin on IDEX. Now, CNN coin, for $100, I was able to get 50,000 CNN coin, right? Now, from what I'm hearing, CNN coin could be getting listed to a major exchange in the very near future. You know, so I'm going to take that news and I'm going to ride it and I'm going to sell the hype. It's exactly what I'm going to do. And you can get a lot of very cheap, low volume, low market cap coins on this exchange, guys. You know, it's a very, I mean, don't get me wrong, there's probably a lot of shit coins on there, you know what I mean, that are scams and that are just complete shit. But you have to kind of search through and find what you think has value and what you think could eventually be something. Like PundyX, right? PundyX or CNN. PundyX, you guys, if you go in my previous videos, I've gone over it before. PundyX is an incredible project, and I expect them to do, you know, very great things this year or within the next couple of years within the blockchain community. So go take a look at IDEX. If you guys have any questions on how to get involved or how to sign up and create an IDEX account, shoot me a DM on any one of my social media platforms, and I will literally walk you through it, guys. I'm big on this. This is as close as I'll get to investing into an ICO, because an ICO is a crapshoot. You know, I've invested into one ICO and I got burnt, and I'll never do it again, ever, because there's just too many scams going on. There's too many shitty people out there, and I mean that. I've seen it. I've lived it. There is shitty people out there who take advantage of the weak. And there's people who are going to put together projects that are absolute shit, and they're going to take your money and they're going to run with it. I don't want to bring up any names, but it happens, and you guys know that. So you have to be careful. So with that being said, at least in IDEX, there is some working projects already in line to potentially be listed on another major exchange. You guys got any questions? What's going on, guys? We got some Miguel, Steem is great. Yeah. Wall Street. Let's get into Turnio. Let's take a look at Turnio and what Turnio is all about. Again, I don't like ICOs. I don't like getting involved in them, but it's interesting that you. Let's go to ICO bench. No, here we go. All right, so it's going to be on the Stellar platform. So the ICO is opening at 1 penny. The fundraising goal is 40 million. They do have a whitelist. $2 million in personal cap. Token issue 48 hours after the end of the sale. When is the end of the sale? Oh, all right, so June 1st to June 15th. Unfortunately, we are stuck with airdrops and bounties. Did everybody, what's the date today? Today's the 30th. If you guys hold any ERC20 tokens, you have to get them registered, or you're going to possibly lose them. That's what I'm hearing. So if you guys are holding EOS, make sure you register them in a wallet so you can receive the airdrops and you do not lose your tokens. I should have saved the article. That's something that I can bring up later tonight on my nightly update. But make sure you guys get your EOS and your ERC20 tokens into a wallet that is verifiable, and so you can take advantage of the airdrops and stuff like that. Josh Wood, unfortunately, we are stuck with airdrops and bounties. Oh, but every once in a while you find a unicorn. Yeah, you're right. Absolutely. And I'm hoping that unicorn is CNN. Honestly, or PunDX. I have a lot of PunDX and I got a lot of CNN. PunDX is a project that I really do think has some intrinsically, it does have value. It does have a great idea backing it. It has good money backing it. It's just a matter of fact. Can't let one ruin. No, I understand. You know what I mean? But it just put a bad taste in my mouth. And as far as my trading goes, I'm doing well enough trading than having to take chances with ICOs. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, CNN is a coin that that I think everybody should be getting involved in right now. I mean, it's up to you, obviously, but it's something that I recommend. Definitely recommend. There's another one too, OCN. OCN is, I believe, up 20% today. So look at this, guys. ICX taking a drop. All right, so boom, here we go. We just saw the drop, guys. And I'm glad that it happened on live stream, because I was literally just saying that we are in a bear trap and this will drop. So there you go, guys. I mean, listen, you can't be excited, and you can't see, I'm up on my short right now. I ended up opening a short position. You guys can't, when stuff like this happens and you get a strong wick like this, right, on a very, very, very bear market, and the bear market starts going to shit. Look at everybody's leaving to go run to their portfolio. Yeah, I mean, that's what's going to happen, guys. You know what I mean? Look at the volume size. And for all you guys that are new to trading, Cyril Noto, thank you for watching, man. Thanks for coming in. So take a look at the size of these 4-hour candles, and look at the last time this happened as well, right? Just go back into history. History is a very good indicator of the future. Okay, look at same situation. Check this out, guys. Same situation. We were bearish as hell, running down, and boop. And I remember that day. I remember that day because and including yesterday, the day before yesterday, everybody wanted to jump off a bridge. Everybody wanted to jump off a bridge and say crypto's going to 4,000. I showed you the video of the Hodge twins, and everybody's just saying sell USD, tether. Yet now yesterday, everybody was like, we're going to 9K, we're going to 10K, we're going to the moon, guys. Why would one day change the market? Why would one day, make a huge reversal in the market? It's just not going to happen. Same situation here. A little bit of volume, small wick, small candles, big drop. And we're just going to continue dropping, guys. Yeah, I got it. Trust me, man. If I see a project out there that is that really catches my attention, then I will most definitely put some time in and learn about it. But for now, man, I'm going to stick with IDEX. And Josh, if you're not in IDEX, go check it out. Seriously, because there is some big money to be made there. It's kind of like a project, right? There's one more thing I wanted to talk about. Where are we going on? 24 minutes. I'm noticing that we're getting a lot more viewers at night. So I think I'm going to start making the morning streams just a little bit shorter, and then at night we'll go on for a good hour and just really just kind of hang out. That's the whole point of the show, guys, just to hang out and just kind of throw around some ideas. So look, the whole market's turning red. That's what happens, guys. Everything gets dragged down when BTC goes down. Everybody's panic selling because everybody FOMO'd in thinking that this was going to be the next bull run. And this wasn't the case. Josh, after Turnio, I don't think there is any ICO I will probably get behind. So Miguel, you're in Turnio as well. I mean, I might take a look at Turnio, guys. I might take a look at it. You guys are getting me, especially being on the Stellar blockchain. That's very interesting, and that's something that has. That's why I had kept this tab up here, because it's something I'm going to take a look at after this live stream. Is there any videos on Turnio? Let's see if we can find a, because where's their site? I want to, where's their, oh, here, right here, website. I think we looked at it yesterday, didn't we? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I remember watching it and I was like, what the hell is going on right now? Yeah. So guys, feel free to, you know, chime in as this video's going, because I'm sure some of the watchers are like, what is, we want you, Mike, in our community. Thank you, Miguel. Yeah, I just don't understand what this video is all about. I don't know. Using Flood for transaction generation, cool. What is it at, a cent right now? Pre-sale? It's at a cent. Maybe I'll grab a bunch just to jump on board with you guys and say so in a couple months we can say we can talk about the Turnio grab that we got. Look in YouTube, AMA. Is that what it is, AMA? Yeah, look at this drop, guys. So, hey, I'm happy that I caught it. I'm happy that at the beginning of the stream I told every single one of you guys to be careful. We were going to see a drop. It's coming. It's inevitable. I've been saying on my social media. You know, I think I'm going to end this video here. There is one thing I want to say, that there's always going to be that one coin that moves opposite of BTC, right? And there's a reason for that. Last year was EOS, right? Zilliqa has been doing that as well. So we have to pay attention to those coins that are moving opposite of BTC, because when BTC starts going on these pitfalls down to hell, we have to recognize and notice what coins are actually moving in the opposite direction. So let's keep an eye on that. And everybody, thank you for joining. I appreciate it very much. I hope the green screen worked out. If there's any feedback you guys can give me, please throw it down in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you found value in this video. I will be back tonight, probably around 8, 9 o'clock. Let's try to get some people in here, guys. Let's spread the word. Let's try to get this community built. And guys, send me over a link. You know, whatever. Yes, you were. We would see a drop today. Always appreciate your advice, mate. No problem, Cyril. Thank you so much for coming in. Miguel, thank you. Josh, thank you. Everybody watching, thank you very much. Shoot me a DM on Twitter. You know, come join our Discord, guys. Jump into a bit more crypto, BMC. I'm actually going to go in there right now. So if you guys want to continue to talk, you know, jump into bit more crypto on Discord, and I will be in the voice chat. I hope to see you guys over there. We can continue to talk about a couple of projects. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Again, guys, the support has been tremendous, and I can't thank you guys enough. You know, thank you very much. And I will see you guys tonight, probably around, like I said, 8:30, 9 o'clock. Hey, we said it, guys. We said it.